go. Improv.
Improv. Oh my god.
It's improv. Wow. Okay. I think
I can't play the piano.
I can. And we're gonna start a band. Isn't that awesome, baby? Oh my god. Edward Cullen.
Die, child, die.
Okay.
You know, girly, I just love these chicks of yours. They're just so cute. And they're right. Oh, they're so cute.
Pants.
Oh my gosh, what do you expect me to do with this if you don't condition? Oh my god, I mean really. Oh my gosh,
Pants.
there is something green in here. Gross.
Pants. It's a camera. And I just realized my face is really close to this camera.
I need some props. I'm violating your personal space. How do you like me now?
Like if I
Don't spray me!
hair spraying the camera. That's so cool.
OMG! Ooh, look at text.
Woo! All right, who crapped on the floor?
My bad. It's albino!
This is great.
Oh, yes it is. Did you end it?
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
Butterfly. Yeah, I want to stand on the chair.
Woo! Why do you have a stuffed Stewie?
Because I won it at the county fair.
Oh no, there it goes! Ah! Oh, yo, this thing is so large. It's like a jumbo iPod.
And you know what I don't get? I'm not a brat. Am I?
No,
Am I
you're
a brat?
not. You're not. Is she a brat, people of America?
Have I changed?
Yes.
Really? I really haven't noticed.
You once were in a cocoon, but now you're a beautiful butterfly.
Beautiful butterfly.
Die! Yes, she's dead. Run away! Run, run, run. Oh my god, it's a wiener dog! Don't attack this chair now. Oh my god, it's a wiener dog! He's sniffing the camera. Fail. Wiener dog, attack! Sick him, girl, sick him! How do you turn this off? Can you
Are
press
you
the
done?
center button?
Okay.